So hi friend, this is Amit. As you all have got the Shastra merit rank, so here I am going to provide you a step-by-step complete procedure for the counseling process. Everything I will discuss up to the last. I will also provide you the cutoff, that is updated cutoff for this year based on the increase in the number of seats and based on the reservation of home state other state. Everything I am going to provide you. So please try to watch the video up to the last so that you will get the complete information in detail. So here I am providing you the basic information, that is round wise allotment will be there, and first they will check your AIR all India rank, then they will check your TNR rank if you are from Tamil Nadu, then they will check your Trichy rank if you are from Trichy district, then they will check your Tanjore rank, that is if you are from Tanjore district. So these are the options they will do, and they will select first choice if it is available. They will allot you, otherwise they will go to second choice. Like this they will do the counseling process, and the program allotment is based on the best of the vacancy based on the two stream rank. If you have applied for JE plus board both, then you will get two type of rank. One is with the combined score of JE and board, other with only board score. So based on both score, whatever you are getting the best option from your choice filling, because there is only one choice filling for both the streams. So in that choice filling, whatever will be the best option, they will provide you in the choice filling. So here is the seat allotment ratio, that is 20% seats will be given to the district allotted, 10% each of Trichy and Tanjore districts. And there is some reservation available for JK and North Eastern and other deserving state are also provided. Is some of the reservation are there. These are about the reservation, and payment you have to do through credit card, net banking, UPI facility. These are the options they are providing, and once you submit your choices, no change in the preference is provided. So please try to do it very carefully. I'm here to guide you completely. If you want, you can contact me. There is a nominal charge for that. In the description you can check the detail, and you can get the link and app website also. Through that you can join for one doubt session, that is in one session you can ask all your doubt. For that also you can register. So everything is available with me, as I'm guiding the student from last 6 years. You can check the detail for last year videos as well on the same channel. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is the DOSA, CSAB, Jagdali, Jag Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, Comet K, EEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So right on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a bit. So now let me discuss about the schedule. So as the submission of branch started from yesterday itself, they are saying, but up to 20th you can do the choice filling. It is up to 9 a.m. in the morning, and they may extend the time also. Last year also they did the extension, and all applicant need to submit their choices. If not submitted, you will not get any type of allotment. Now if you talk about round 1 allotment, then it will be done on June 21st at 5 p.m. They will do some delay also, because they are not 100% punctual about the timing. So once I will get the information regarding that the allotment is done, I will surely update you through a short video. So please try to subscribe the channel for that. And the fee payment of round 1 will be done up to 27th 9 a.m. So if you get the seat, you have to pay the fee, and how much I will talk later in the same video. And online payment of tuition fee will be there. And sliding process, that is round 1 vacancy. If you want to slide for higher branches, or if you want to freeze the seat, that you can do up to June 27 5 p.m. And round 2 allotment will be done on 27th itself at 9 p.m. in the night, that is up to morning you can do the payment. And once you not pay the fee, those seats will be vacant, and that will be given to next rank student at night 9 p.m. And fee payment of round 2 will be done up to 3rd of July 9 a.m. and sliding process will be available up to 5 p.m. 3rd of July, and again on 3rd of July itself you will get the round 3 allotment, and same type of thing will happen after round 3 also, fee payment and sliding. And thereafter round 4 will be done on 8th of July 9 p.m. So up to 8th of July, and thereafter up to 15 you can do the slide, and in the last week of July the class will start. So this type of thing will be done in the counseling. And hostel accommodation and transport, if you are having the that is your house within 75 kilometer of the college, then you will not get the hostel. If you are from away of 75 kilometer, then you will get the hostel, and 50,000 per year is the hostel fee you have to pay. And withdrawal procedure is also available, that is withdrawal after payment of fees possible from 3rd of July onwards. After 3rd of July onwards, you will able to get the refund. And with the guidelines, they will provide you a refund. I will provide you refund policy also once the counseling will start. And this type of thing is there. So now let me discuss about the other thing. Now I will discuss about the total seats. Total seat is around 5,000. Earlier it was 3,000. I have written here just for your information. That is, last year it was 3,000. Now it is 5,000, and because of that the cutoff will change a lot. And here everything is there. 15 June, as I informed you earlier, and the complete schedule already they have provided. Choice filling, one time choice filling, all college and branch you have to fill at once, and it is very important process. Once you do any mistake, you will face the problem. That's why I'm here to guide you completely, one to one complete guidance how you need to fill the choices through one to one guidance through Google Meet. And in my app I will provide you the one to one guidance. I will check your choice filling, how to do it, and I will provide you complete order as well. And after each round, what you should do, and whether you should join Shastra or any other college like VIT, AEEE, ComEd-K or Manipal College, BITSAT, JOSA seats, everything I will be discussing with you one to one, so that you can join the best college by the end of this academic year. And after that, simple freeze float slide option will be there, and withdraw option also available. And refund also is possible before the last round. And here you can check the hostel fee for different type of rooms. And most importantly, now I will discuss about the cutoff. CSE, if you are from home state, up to 1000. If you are from other state, 500. CSE specialization 3.6 and 1.5 thousand. IT to 4,000, that is home state, other state 2,000. Because of the reservation, home state cutoff is more as compared to other state cutoff. Means at higher rank also you will get the college if you are from home state. For ICT, 5 and 2.6 thousand. EC 6 and 3.3. ECS specialization courses are there, 8.1 and 4,000. EEE 12 and 7. EEE specialization 17 and 10. Electronics and instrumentation 14 and 8. Mechanical and mechanical specialization 19 and 11,000. Aerospace and civil engineering 22 and 12,000. And for biotechnology 17 and 9,000. So this was the complete information regarding the step by step process and cutoff information regarding the Shastra counseling. So hope you get my point clearly. So if you want the guidance, you can contact me whenever it is possible for you. You can check the description. You can contact me through app, website, and number is also available in the description box. Thank you.